Hello friends, welcome to UKG Plus 2. I hope so you like this video. You can share this video with your family and friends, those who really need. For the latest information, you can like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest update. Before we going to start the division, we have to know that table. You can go to the playlist. There is a table available 1 to 20. You can learn on it. Then it is easy to study the division. So let us start. Now we will learn 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit division. So we have to start now. 1. This is divisible sign. 1 divisible 2. How we will read? 1 divisible by 2. What is the procedure to divide? We have to use, this is a table. Table 1 is containing 2. The procedure is, this table is containing equal or less than. So 1 1 is 1, 1 2 is 2. 2 times it coming, so subtract it. Now, what is this and this? So, this is known as divisor. What is divisor? This is dividend. Dividend. This is quotient. This is quotient. This is remainder. Remainder. Divisor, dividend. This is dividend. This is quotient. This is remainder. We have to write 2 table equal to 4. How much? 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4 is equal to 4. 2 times. So 4. Subtract. Pencil. 3 ka table we have to study equal to 18. How much it will come is right. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18. 6 times coming is in 18. Subtract. Same 4 table equal to 12 or less than of the 12. So is coming 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12. This is 2 containing 5, no. So we have to go less than 5 or equal to 5. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we cannot take 6. We have to take less than 5 or equal to 5. So 2 times we are coming how much? 4. That is 5 less than. Now 5 minus 4, 1. We have to study 3 table. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. 12 is greater than 11. So we will move 1. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9 is right. 11 minus 9, 2. Here. 8 containing 64. So we will how much time? 8 8 is 64. Cancel off. Here we will look first digit. 6 is greater and 3 is greater than 6. We will go to second term, means 2 digit. 6 6 is 36. How much? 6 6 is 36. We have to write 36. Subtract 7 minus 6, 1. 3 minus 3, cancel out. 12. How much it will contain? This 2 will come here. How much? 2 times. 6 2 जा 12. Here 9 is less than 8, so we will move second digit. How much time it will take? 8 times. 9 8 are 72. 9 8 are 72. Now subtract. 10 minus 2, 8, 7 minus 7, 1. This one come here, 81. 9 9 are 81. Subtract. 7 8. It is clear. Seven. This is 8. So 8 is greater than 7. So one digit is enough. One time. 7. Subtract. 8 minus 7. 1. This becomes 17. 17 containing 7. 2 times how much? 2 times 14. Subtract it. 7 minus 4. 3. Cancel on. 6. 7 5s are 35. 1 cancel out. This 15. 5 will become here. 2 times how much? 14. Subtract 5 minus 1. Another example. 5 equal 5. Yeah, 1 times. This 0 will become here. You know that anything you can divide by 0, it will become 0. That means cancel out. This will become 5. 1 times 5. Subtract. Cancel out.